Here's what happened immediately after the dinosaurs went extinct. It wasn't just one major event that killed the dinosaurs. Their extinction started with an asteroid called Chicxulub that didn't just hit Earth, it changed the entire planet overnight. 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid, about 10 to 15 kilometers wide, slammed into what's now known as the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. This impact released more energy than 4.5 billion nuclear bombs. Everything near the impact was instantly vaporized, and a shockwave tore across the planet, flattening forests and killing everything in its path. Within minutes, debris blasted into the atmosphere and began falling back down to Earth as burning fragments. The sky literally turned into fire. As these superheated particles rained down, they ignited wildfires across entire continents. Forests and ecosystems were gone in flames. But not every dinosaur died right away. If they were far enough from the impact zone, well, they might have survived the first few hours, and maybe even the first few days following the impact. The smaller dinosaurs had a better chance. The largest dinosaurs, the ones that needed to consume huge amounts of food every day, well, they were some of the first to go. To survive, animals need food, stable temperatures, and sunlight, but the impact filled the atmosphere with dust and ash and toxic gases that blocked out the sun. Within days, the planet began cooling, and within months, Earth was thrown into a global impact winter. Plants began to die off, and with them, the entire food chain started collapsing. But it got even worse. Acid rain was falling across the planet, poisoning rivers, soil, and oceans, and wiping out marine life. Now, without the plants, herbivores started dying. Then carnivores. Even the dinosaurs that survived the initial blast were slowly wiped out by a world that could no longer support them. Ecosystems collapsed completely. There was nowhere left to hide, nowhere left to survive. And in the end, about 75% of all life on Earth disappeared. But those who remained didn't just survive, they evolved. Some small mammals and some feathered dinosaurs, what we now call birds, managed to make it through. Their size, diet, and adaptability gave them an edge in this harsh new world. And in the end, the extinction of the dinosaurs made way for something far more dangerous: us humans. So if you didn't know,